Hi guys, and welcome to Aleksandra Acrylic Art. It's been a while. As you know, I'm Aleksandra and I'm happy to have you here, especially today as we're gonna dive into another colorful adventure. Today I'm planning to do a Dutch pour painting with vibrant twist of green, blue and pops of sunny yellow, which I mixed with silicone oil. So we're gonna have some beautiful cells hopefully too. We're gonna have white background and all my paints are mixed with acrylic pouring medium from Art Studio. Now this is the Drew Barrymore's hairdryer. It's called Flower. It's very handy, it's small, and I highly recommend to use it. I'm going to link it down below so you will be able to find it easily. Get your drink, sit back, and let's create some magic art together. Without further ado, let's get into the video. added silicone oil to yellow color, you can now see how the cells are popping out. Yes, I like the vibe, I like it. I like how it turns out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And thank you for watching, and until next one, thank you, bye.